Taking a similar view, this court in its judgment passed in the case in Dharamveer Singh and others versus State of UP and others held that under Rule 22 of the Rules, 1954, the Cane Commissioner, while passing an order of reservation of cane area, is required to ascertain the view of the cane growers cooperative society of the area, and there is no requirement to issue notice to individual farmers or to ascertain their views. The observations made in the judgment are as follows. We find no merit in this claim because under the relevant Rule 22 of the I.P. Sugarcane Regulation of Supply and Purchase Rules, 1954, the Cane Commissioner, while passing the initial order for reservation of cane area, is required to ascertain the views of the cane growers cooperative society of the area. There is no requirement even at that stage to issue notice to individual farmers or ascertain their views. Hence, there can be no such responsibility or liability upon the state government while hearing the appeal under Section 15 within bracket 4 of the Act to issue notice to individual farmers like the petitioners. The aforementioned legal position has been reiterated in a recent judgment of this court in Akram Khan and another versus State of UP and others, and it has been held that writ petition at the behest of an individual cane growers seeking to raise grievances with regard to reservation or assignment of cane areas is not maintainable, and that their cause can be espoused only by the cane growers cooperative society. Having regard to the aforementioned facts and circumstances, the position which emerges is that in terms of the provisions for under the Act 1953 and the Rules 1954, an elaborate mechanism is provided for reservation and assignment of cane areas to sugar factories in order to regulate the supply and purchase of sugar cane in their area. The factors which are taken into consideration include ascertaining the views of the cane growers cooperative society of the area. The individual cane growers have therefore no right or locus standi to raise any challenge to reservation or assignment of cane areas in favor of a particular sugar factory, and any grievance in this regard is to be espoused only through the cane growers cooperative society which represents the cane growers of the area. As regards the claim of the petitioner, that his representation dated 5th November 2019 with regard to his grievance filed before the District Sugarcane Office, Saharanpur be decided, it would be relevant to take notice of the fact that earlier representation raising the same grievance has been considered and decided by a detailed order dated 12.04. 2019 passed by the Deputy Cane Commissioner, Saharanpur, which is based on consideration of the factual position and also taking into account the scheme provided for under the relevant statutory provisions with regard to supply of sugarcane at the various cane centers. No material error or illegality has been pointed out by the counsel for the petitioner in the aforesaid order, which may warrant interference.